Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As promised last month, this video is going to be a continuation where I left. I'm going to explain you how buyers search for local services within their city or state. So let me give you an example of premium service. Let's say if you're searching for a best interior designer. I'm going to give an example from my city. I'm just going to show you how the search results are displayed in Google. So you can see it starts uh, so from paid search, like from bigger marketplaces, and then it goes all the way down uh, to other companies, and then Google displays the local map areas as well. And then they have an option for people also ask. So if you are an interior designer or a premium design studio, you need to understand how people would search for your services, like best interior designer in Pune. And if you really want to dominate this search, you need to understand what all the search engine is displaying right now. So it starts with it starts with paid search, then Google displays the local map pack, the top three areas, and then typical questions that get asked frequently, and then the organic listing. So if you want to really dominate the web, you need a combination of paid as well as organic platform to boost your chances of getting quality appointments on Google. So if you scroll further down, then it also lets you know what are the other relevant queries through which people search. So this is another one, like luxury interior designers in Pune. So if somebody is in luxury space, they can mention those things within their Google listing, and then on this search it shows the list of the websites which are currently on page one, and then there is a blog that also shows what are the best interior designers in Pune. So if you're doing marketing, it has to be a holistic approach. You need to understand how things work, and people would generally first go and click on this listing, check their reviews, go to their website, see what else stuff people are showing on their site. Ekta Ahuja is an example. If they like the website, not much information is there on the site for now. They may try to look around for other services. So they're going to call 2-3 interior designers to get a feel of what the pricing would look like and whether you have worked in the industry or not. So if as an interior designer, if you're really specific about your niche, your website should speak those stuff. Now if I go and search on London, it's an international query. So you are going to see a similar pattern where it displays the ad search. People are actively looking for leads, and then similarly Google is slightly showing a different pattern over here, where it shows the name of their interior designers in London. So this is a different pattern of displaying results, and then it shows the organic listings as well. And then as you scroll down, you can figure out there are further ads to be displayed, because it's a premium service, so a lot of people could be searching for this throughout the year. So it simply says luxury interior designers in London, British interior designers. So just to give you a feel of how, if you're an interior designer, if you're not on web, you're missing out on a big opportunity. This is a prime time for you to be search on digitally, even though you may be getting businesses through referral and other stuff. If you open one marketing channel, it can streamline your sales pipeline. If you need any help, then do call me back. Thank you.